Pumpkin Thankful Blessed design with buffalo plaid. Perfect for outdoor farmhouse decor. Orange. Color, model G33718. Transform your home this autumn with the GEORY Fall Decorative Throw. Pillow covers, crafted to bring warmth and charm to your seasonal decor. Each set includes 4 beautifully designed covers measuring 18 by 18 inches, featuring a delightful combination of pumpkins, thankful, and blessed messages in a stylish buffalo plaid pattern. Effortlessly cozy. Fall decor. Elevate your autumn ambience with our versatile pillow covers. These charming seasonal accessories easily refresh your living space. Mix and match with other fall-themed decorative pillows or holiday decorations to create a cozy and inviting atmosphere that celebrates the spirit of the season. Cozy, durable, machine-washable. Made from 100% high-quality polyester, these pillow covers are built to last, ensuring they resist bleeding, fading, or fraying over time. Enjoy hassle-free maintenance as they are machine-washable, making them a practical and beautiful addition to your home decor. Invisible zipper design. Our decorative pillow covers feature a discreet hidden zipper closure, providing an elegant touch while allowing for easy insertion of your pillows or fillers. The seamless design guarantees a snug fit, enhancing the polished look of your fall decor. Add a touch of autumn elegance to your home with the GEORY Fall Decorative Throw. Pillow covers, a perfect blend of style, comfort, and practicality.